Hey, it's me. Do you remember, if you've been following my Instagram feed, about a week or two ago, a friend popped a human hair lace front wig through my mail slot for me to style it. And when I came home and I unfolded the wig and I opened it, the lace was ripped. I don't know if it ripped when I turned it inside out. That's never happened to me before. Or I don't know if going through the mail slot ripped it. But in any case, it ripped and I could see where it was unraveling. So I picked up a few materials, namely these pins here, which you can get pretty much anywhere. Straight pins will do. I used some webbing here that you can get at Tesco or sewing supply shops. I used what I thought was going to be transparent lace, but this is nude lace. And I also used a C-shaped needle and some clear thread. And in a moment, you will see the outcome of that wig. Now, I didn't record the process because I've never done this before, so I had the other thing I used, curling iron. I didn't record the whole process because this is the first time I've done it. I didn't know what I was doing. However, it turned out perfect. So go ahead and keep watching if you are curious how I fixed a ripped lace front. If you need to do this on the DIY yourself, I would recommend doing this on a wig that you don't necessarily care about in case you screw it up royally. Anyhow, I will narrate the rest of the pictures, but keep watching if you're interested.
Okay, so you can see here where the lace ripped. There's that welding at the front where the lace front starts, and it looks like it started unraveling from that point. So what I did is take a wig head and those straight pins, and I pinned that very front edge of the lace front close together so I could bring that sort of fissure together. And I took some transparent or nude lace that I purchased on Amazon for about 12 pounds, overlaid it on top of that lace front and pinned it down all the way around. Then what I did is, you can see there's the color of the transparent / nude, and you can see where the front of it is tacked off. I trimmed off the rest of this length. And then what I did is I used a piece of webbing or bonding material, and I placed it underneath the lace to weld the two pieces of lace together, or to bond the two pieces of lace. You can see here that it's melted now, and you can't distinguish between the two pieces of lace. I used that curling iron I showed you at the beginning to do that part. You can see there's another piece of webbing underneath that's bringing the two front edges of the lace together so that they are as one. And again, I used that curling iron to weld or meld that webbing to the two pieces of lace, and then I trimmed off the excess and took out the pins. I also used some clear thread to shore up that fissure where it had originally ripped. You can see that clear thread kind of to the right there by that pink pin. And that's basically what I did. Now, here is the picture of the lace front wig on my head. It's not the best picture, but you can tell you can't even see the two different types of lace. From me to you, I hope you have a great day, and if you found some value in this and enjoyed it, I'd love one of those. And please feel free to leave a comment. I like to hear your feedback. Thanks so much for hanging out today. I hope you have a great day or evening. Bye-bye.